Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will play with another kind of basic pouring technique, acrylic pouring technique. So I will do a swipe. I mixed some colors with Floetrol. I will use this Deco Art Satin Enamel mixture for my base to create maybe some cloudy effects. I have greenish blue, I have 24K gold, phthalo blue, aqua flash, brilliant blue and some black to swipe with. And I'm kind of planning to do a swipe here and leave some negative space. So let's see how this will go. I will pour white all over my canvas. Lately I kind of enjoy those basic techniques that I started with them when I started pouring 7 years ago. So yeah, just play with paint and let your imagination out, or how can I say so. I will start with this greenish blue here, and can already see that my paints are kind of sinking in, and it's okay because I want some soft kind of look for that. So yeah, it's okay. Oh, I want to swipe. I will go with this palette knife. Wow, like the effects. So I will basically just follow my instinct, or how can I say, I'm not don't have exact plan, or how can I say, I want. Here she is dry. I like it. I just hope that I would go a little more. You know, the rule, it's too much in the middle for my taste, but I love the lacing and the effects and the look. I'm really happy with it. From that perspective, just as I said, I just wish that I would just go a little higher with the swiping. But otherwise I'm happy. It's hard to capture the shimmer, of course, from the Aqua Flash, but in real it's just beautiful. Maybe can capture a little like that, I don't know, but yeah. So this was it for today. Have a nice Wednesday and see you again on Friday. Bye!